My strategy was I just wanted to go in there, kind of get to know everybody as quickly as possible without putting myself out there to make myself vulnerable. And it's been going exactly better than I would have planned. They call me White Mike. That's pretty cool. You know, I'm the first one picked on the team. The games are intense, it's street rules, you know, call your own fouls, and you just gotta hold your own. My own teammate ended up going up for a rebound, and I was underneath him. He came down with the elbow. I mean, I've been hit in the face a whole bunch of times, and I can tell when your skin separates. I could feel that it was open. The blood was pouring down my face.
I was gonna put my towel. Man, sometimes I be on privacy. I don't be wanting this thing looking directly in my face. What's that? That camera. You can't have the privacy with that many cameras in the dome. It's not easy to throw a rock and hide your hand. I wonder where they watching the camera from, because they not open the tower when they be watching the camera. I don't care, man. Sometimes on some problems. You know what I mean? And you see me all day. Y'all watching me hard, man. Out here sleeping.
I'm gonna count to three. When you hear me count to three, that's when I want you to pop the doors, okay?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Everybody come out and put your backs on the wall. Y'all gonna have to put your backs on the wall?
We looked at each other and was like, yeah, they definitely here watching us.
Everybody should be searched coming this way.
The assumption is, when they tamper with the security devices, that they're disabling the security device and that the missing and dangerous items can be distributed throughout the housing unit. It presents a danger to not only other inmates, but presents a danger to my staff and especially to the participants in this program. Any individual that's caught tampering with a security device is in violation of a jail rule, and they have to pay the consequences.
Now, 506, 506.
When I got to my room, my cellmate that I had just met, you know, I mean, this is a hard guy. He was like, man, I missed you, man. You know, I was like, wow, you know, this kid, I don't even know you. Like, if I'm getting this kind of respect and love from him, you know, what am I gonna get from everybody else?
You know, hey, I still don't look as good now, but hey, you know,
I had probably 10 guys come up to my door.
Nice to meet you all.
Yeah. You know, everybody's joking about, hey man, look, you got your jail scar, you know.
She sticks the needle in.
I feel that I've stuck to my, you know, original plan, build a relationship, build, you know, that level of trust with as many people as possible. Now I can easily find out what goes on in this place.
We didn't find any evidence of contraband in the pod, but when we move the inmates back, we're going to put Del Rico up to 2 weeks in lockdown for tampering with security devices.
The
probably shouldn't have done it, you know what I mean? He blocked the cameras. I think that's probably why they took him out of there. After he left, I was mad because he was kind of like a father figure to me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to count on another inmate like I count on Del Rico, man. I knew Rico had my back.
Hey, look, what you want for? I give you what you want. Look, man, just tell me what you want.
He was begging me to make a trade for food. And I didn't really care, because I usually don't eat my sandwiches anyway.
Man, cookies night and tomorrow.
And tomorrow what?
Cookies.
Cookies or chips, I don't care.
Oh, come on with it.
Cookies or chips. All right. So we made the deal.
Good afternoon, everybody. Look, we get ready to do uniforms, okay?
Guess what? Remember pants I gave? Bed. Yeah. How about the whole infested with eggs? What?
Since I've been in here, the CO side of me just been screaming on the inside.
Those American eggs. Oh my God.
There's like so much wrong that could easily be fixed if somebody was honest and pointed it out. So I decided to start writing what I was seeing. I know I'm taking a huge risk writing down what I observed, so that's why I'm writing it when nobody's awake. I'm making sure to hide it in a good place.
Yeah, it was.
No, I wasn't. You said cookies. You just said.
Chips or cookies for two nights.
No, I just said two. You said 2 nights. Cookies in the night. I can do that. Make cookies night and tomorrow.
I said two. Sean? I'm starting to feel my patience slipping. I wasn't going to be tunked out by, Deshaun in front of everybody. If I didn't react a certain way, then I was setting myself up to look weak in front of the whole pot.
If you don't have a backbone, you're probably going to be taken from you. It's hell on earth here.
I'll take the list for your lunch tomorrow, too.
You just switch my cookies. See what I'm saying? You just switch down cookies. They shouldn't have
I'll take you back behind those stairs.
We was hitting the buzzer like, it's flooding in here, and they was like, okay, we can't help you right now. The inmates have to clean it up. These officers here don't look like they get their hands dirty at all.
There was an inmate that stuck a blanket in the toilet and just kept flushing it and flushing it and flushing it.
Happens. Literally. They keep pushing the water into the drains and putting down blankets. This is sewer water. Then they'll take the blankets and wash them and then give them to us to lay under. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Behind our door is a toilet water blanket. Upstairs is toilet water blankets. And it's okay.
How about they get the COs to come in and help us because they've been nowhere during this whole nightmare?
It's like they don't care, like, at all.